Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. So while drawing any component, first always do the material addition features. So first I am going to draw the cylindrical portion. Go to the software, go to new, part modeling with solid, and untick this use default template, click OK. We are going to use mm as a unit. Choose mm solid absolute, click OK. Now go to the model. Outer diameter is, outer radius they have given 20, that means outer diameter is 40, inner diameter is 20. I'm just taking this plane, sketch view, draw the center line, press the roller to confirm. Now just draw the two thing. This is 40, this is 20. Split screen, just click OK, just extrude. Now go to the model. The extrusion length is 50. Just click OK. Now we have model. Now just select. Now I'm going to model this one, this feature. Select this plane, go to sketch view, go to reference, take this just as a reference, go to the model again, now go to the line, make this line, make some inclined one, join this, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now just go to the model. This distance is 50 and this distance is 25. Here this distance is 25 and go to dimension, this distance, cancel it, go to dimension, this distance is 50 and just go to the model again, and this distance is also 50. Go to the model, from the bottom this side, just undo it. Now here just click this line, little bit, just extend it, join it, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm, just click OK. Now just rotate the object, extrude, make that into symmetric, just go to the model. The thickness we just want to extrude is 15, change this into 15, press enter, just click OK. Now we have modeled this portion. Again just go to the figure, this features we have done, this features we just want to make. Now this height is 32 from the bottom, and two circles we just want to draw. One is the radius of 20, another one is diameter 20. Go to the model, select the surface, go to sketch view, go to reference, just close, go to line, just create one line and go to circle, create first circle and create second circle, press the roller to confirm. Now again select this point, just join it, press the roller to confirm. Now again press the roller to confirm. Now we just want to specify the diameter. This diameter is 40, this diameter is 20, and this height, that height is 32 minus 15. 32 minus 15, 70. Go to delete segment, delete this edges. Now we have done. Now just take this line, just make this line and click OK to confirm. Again click OK to confirm. Now go to this, make a circle and press the roller to confirm. Now go to line again, make this line and press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now delete the unwanted segments. This is, we don't want, delete it. Everything we have deleted. Again press the roller to confirm. This is the portion we just want to extrude. Just click OK, go to extrude. Now go to the model. The extrusion length is 15. Just specify 15. Just rotate your object, then change this direction into this direction and click OK to confirm. Now see this model, everything we have done. Go here. Here we just want to make a round of radius 27.29. Go here, choose this round option, click this one, rotate your object using your roller and click this one. This radius is 27.29. Click enter. Now just click OK to confirm. Now just go to your standard orientation, just rotate. Now go in this one, shaded with edges. Now we have completed our model. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and if you have any doubt, please comment here. Thank you.